Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to learn Coincidence by Sabrina Carpenter, cool little acoustic song from her latest album. We're going to start with the verse, which sounds like this. So cool little riff to start us off. We've got an E chord, so I've got finger 1 on G1, finger 3 on D2, and your middle finger on A2, then into an F sharp minor 11, don't worry about the scary name. Okay, I've got finger 1 on G2, pinky on D4, and my third finger on A4. And then the next chord, G sharp over D sharp, again don't worry about the scary name, the same shape as you just had, but shuffled along 2 frets. Okay, so the tricky part is the strumming pattern. So between the E and the F sharp, we're going to go, which is 2 downs on the E, and then up, down, nice and quick on the F sharp. Shuffling along to the G sharp, we're going to have down, up, down, then straight back to the chord you just came from with an up strum, and then up, down to finish you off. So that's thing really slowly. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. So that part repeats twice for the intro, and then we keep doing it throughout the verse. 4 goes round, but we start off palm muting, same chords, but we're just going to palm mute, so it's going to sound like this. And we alternate between palm muting and playing it loud, so we have 1 quiet, quiet 1, loud. So then we're on to the pre-chorus, which sounds like this. So another cool riff, we're going to be using just the A string and the D string for the first half of this part, palm muting the whole time. So the first bar there should sound like this. So I start with finger 1 on D2, which I'm hitting palm muting with the open A, twice, and then up, down, over on the 4th fret. So the second bar over to fret number 6, down, up, down, and then up, back over at fret number 4. And then staying there, up, down, up. So those 2 bars together. Third bar sounds like this. So we're on fret number 2 to start, down strum, over to 6, little pause to number 4, up, down, up. And then the 4th bar is the same as the second bar, which is, so the 3rd and 4th bars together. And then the whole line together. Then we're on to our main riff again, starting off with a muted version. And then a loud version. Which brings us onto the chorus. I'll do the whole thing, should sound like this. So we start with a B minor bar chord. If you find that tricky, I'll put sort of an alternative on the screen for you, but I'm barring fret number 2. I've got my second finger on B3, pinky on G4, and my third finger on D4. And your strumming pattern for this one is, so we have down, down, up, down, over to an A chord, down, down, up, up, down, put them together, into the riff just once, nice and loud, then an A chord, just one strum which rings out for 4 beats, 2, 3, 4, A minor, which rings out really for about 6 beats, is a bit kind of freestyle, and then we're back to the beginning. So the entire thing goes around again. The only difference is when we get to the B minor part in the chorus, that part goes around twice. So the whole second chorus should sound like this. This time we're back to the main riff 4 times, 4 loud ones. So then onto the bridge section. We've got 4 chords that go around. The strumming pattern is down, down, up, down for all 4 chords. So we have an E chord, a G sharp bar chord. If you find this tricky, you could just replace it with an E chord shape that you play at fret 5 and 6. Okay, but for the G sharp, I'm barring fret number 4. I've got finger 2 on G5, pinky on D6, third finger on A6, then an A chord and an A minor. So it should sound like this. Then once we've done that 3 times, I've got a fairly tricky chord here called a C diminished. I've got finger 1 on A3, finger 2 on D4, finger 3 on B4, and then pinky squeezes in between on G5. Strumming pattern for this is, which is down, down, up, down, up, down. And again, if you struggle with this one, what you can do is a D chord shape, shuffled along to fret number 4, and then moved up 1 set of strings, just being really careful to only catch the strings you've got your fingers on. After that chord we have a B minor just once, and then an A just once. So that little section is, and then we're into the main riff just once but palm muted, to an A chord like at the end of a chorus, A minor, onto a riff but loud. Then we're back into the chorus, which is the same as the first chorus, so there's no extra repeat in there. And then to finish you off, just 4 loud goes around the riff, finishing on an E chord, so the last one. And that's the whole song. Cheers for watching, guys. Let me know how you get on in the comments, and if you've got any song requests, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.